This is video number 3 in the JM 793 student course. In this video we're going to talk about pictures and how to insert pictures, and actually I'll also cover video as well in this. You can see from above here that we've already captured 2 videos as I'm building these tutorials for you, and those are being added to the course. So let me show you how to insert pictures, and then we'll show you how to insert video. They both are very similar. Both videos and pictures actually will be sitting right in a label, just as you learned in the last video. So what I want you to do is go down again to insert a label. You go down to the lower right hand corner of any section. Here I'm up in section 0, and I'm going to add a resource and insert a label. The box that pops up, our little WYSIWYG editor again, where we typed in our label before. But what we're going to do now differently is we're going to put a picture in. To insert a picture, you come up here to the toolbar, see the little icon that looks like a tree, actually looks like a picture of a tree, and it will say Insert Picture. Click that. A dialog box will pop open that has a list of the picture or image files that are sitting in your course. Now I'll give you a little bit of navigation here because this can be confusing for some folks. When I say that and let me resize it here to make it a little bit larger for your view. When I say that it's sitting in the course right now, we just have one single picture in this course, which is this picture that you saw on the back on your course page of the little cutout figures holding hands. To add new images up in this directory window up here, we're going to click the Browse button, which will open up your file window on your local computer. And then you can go, for example, I'm going to go to my documents, go to my picture folder, and let's say I'm going to insert this picture, this gentleman right here. You can just insert, in this way you can just insert one picture at a time. So you select that picture, click OK. You'll now see down here it will have the URL, which is just a fancy word for saying the location name of that. Once you've done that, you click Upload, and then you'll now see that the picture's been added. So here, if I click this picture once, I'll see that it's been added here. To add that picture to my actual course or into this label I'm building, I just click it once. So here's a picture of him. You'll notice up here it says the image URL, again the Uniform Resource Locator tells us where it is. We're happy with that, so we click OK. It'll give you a warning dialog about alternative text. You can just click OK through there, and then you'll see the picture of that you just added. You can add some text if you want, but in my case I'm not, and I'm just going to click Save and return to course. And then we'll scroll down, and you'll see here is the picture we just added. Just like any other item in the course, with the editing on, we can move these left or right or up or down, hit the red X to delete them, and be done with it. Okay, to insert a video into a course is a similar procedure. Again, we're going to be sitting in a label, so we're going to come down. I'm going to insert a label. For the video clip, there's 2 ways to do it. You can come here and click the Insert or Edit Embedded Media. Looks like a little movie frame there. If you click that, it will ask us for where the file is located. Again, you could click this if you had it here on your local computer, directory, browse, upload if you want to go that route. For most of us, though, we'll probably do, for example, if you notice the videos in this course are coming right out of YouTube. YouTube actually is very easy to embed a video for, and let me show you how do we do that. So here I'm just gonna leave my label blank for a second. I'm gonna click over on YouTube, and let's click I'm gonna click the home button on YouTube and just click a video. We'll click a video here on a crocodile nesting. So let's say that we want to actually use this video in the course. I'm going to hit pause here so it doesn't run. If you come up here to the right hand side, it'll have code up here for embed. Okay, don't worry about the URL. All I want you to do is grab the code for embed. If you click that once in YouTube, then you have all sorts of options down here to make it larger, smaller in the course. I'm just going to leave it at its default setting. So what I want to do though is I want to click here in embed, and I want to copy this. You can come here if you click there to customize it. If I right click on a PC, I can copy. I can also hit Control and the C on the keyboard to copy. So let me do that. I want to copy that because I just want this embed code. I click back in my course, in my label. Now, if I just come and I paste this, this is the actual code that's telling me to put the YouTube video in. This isn't going to be any good because if I actually save that now, what I did was I just saved, and I'll show you what that label looks like. I just saved the text, which looks like a mess here. So my label is a mess of just the text. I don't want to do that. So I'm going to click the update icon to update the my label here. I'm going to highlight that and delete that. Again, I just want the blank label. So I copied that embed code from here over in YouTube, and I click on my label in my course. Click this button that says HTML. This is only 2 clicks, so 1 click there. Now we paste it into this where it says HTML source editor. You just paste it into there. You click update. And then when you update, you'll say, oh, I got this yellow box. What's that? Well, that's actually the representation of what your video is going to look like. And once you're done, you click Save and Return to Course. And now you scroll down, and you have the crocodile video sitting here in your course. Again, the size is going to depend on the size you pick over at YouTube for the options on that. And again, we can move that up or down in the course. So that's an overview on how you insert pictures up here and video down there. Again, both sort of derivatives of the course label.